We like to test our strong asset tags under extreme conditions, so that you will have no doubts about how our tags will stand up for your application. In this test, we went to a construction site to see what would happen when we applied our tags to a 17,000-pound bulldozer. The most extreme test would be to put them on the steel tracks that drive this beast. We cleaned off the dirt and rust, stuck a few on, and watched as this machine worked for 9 hours, moving over 100 tons of one of the most abrasive materials known to man, sand. These asset tags pounded into the ground thousands of times while pulling this 17,000-pound cat through mountains of sand throughout the day. Did they survive? Look at the pounding these asset tags took. Buried under the sand and shell is our strongest level of asset tag, and it's still on. Let's dig through and see how it looks. Amazing! This tag is still so clean you could scan the barcode. These are some strong asset tags. If our asset tags could withstand this kind of punishment, do you think they could hold up under these harsh conditions? For more information on how you can get strong asset tags, visit us online at strongassettags.com or give us a call at 904-484-8992.